Hello, good morning. Let's feel the kisses of the sun for this morning. Let's continue the producing sweat activity and utas. It's good to see you this morning, and hopefully you are going to be fine for today. Let's hope to continue sweating. May moral kasi dito. Maraming mga like-minded individual. Doon sa unahan may 50 yung mga Bureau Fire and Protection, BFP. So, other tips, just walk up with a smile and embrace the day with positive attitude and mindset. Let's go. So, being positive, only one smile needed and it will change your attitude and behavior for the day from your current state towards another level. And other tips, just to have discipline and aim always your goal. Ano man yung goal mo na tinatarget, you have to set it first and make it as the aiming point or that target. And if you cannot hit the bullseye, you have continue the journey and have adjustment through practice, rehearsal, and series of sacrifices and discipline. Di ba? So, kaya hindi ba naman yung natin, goal natin. So may mga long term at mga short term goal. From those long term goal, may mga short term. So every short term, we must celebrate kung ano mang na-achieve natin yung short term goal. The first short term goal for me is a very good day, peaceful ang ato ang palibot, like in other country na kubot kayo sila. For example, in Iran and other part of the world na video nagkaroon ng crisis. So dito sa Pilipinas, we are very fortunate na ma-celebrate natin or ma-experience natin yung peaceful community. So we don't have the reason na hindi maging peaceful, na hindi maging peaceful yung ating mind. Kasi sabi nga, life is always a challenge of survival. So survival, kahit anong state ka, mayaman ka man or mahirap, nasa state pa rin tayong mag-survive for tomorrow, for another day, another week, months, and years para mapunan natong edad. Bakit natin ito kailangan gawin? Because somehow pagbigay tayo ng motivation at saka inspiration. Kasi maraming mga tao na nangailangan ng kakaunting comfort. Even myself, may mga time talaga na buha ng hugot. Kasi sabi nga, we are an individual, belong to the human creature. in which nagbabago ang ating iniisip, kaya yun ang ating inspirasyon na mag-upload and mag-create ng memories. Mayroon tayong kasi palagi yung nabubusog tayo during dinner, dinidevelop na lechon hito at saka yung lechon manok natin still developing pa rin, pero masarap na for me. And of course ang ating hito, our prices start at 80 pesos. And makatikim na tayo ng yung experience natin ng isda. Maibsan yung pagkain ng karne. So once again, yung hito natin is always available at Magsanok Highway. So visit us and support us in our journey sa ato ang konting ginabuild na business para makatulong sa pagproduce ng sustansyang pagkain sa ating bansa. Yun. So yun lang for this morning. Ingat po tayo and always smile. Bye-bye.